There was a young gentleman who was meant to be a star player and in his rookie season failed and kept getting fractures. And he also couldn't recover from training like his peers. And he also couldn't recover from the partying when they would go drinking and doing whatever they did. So what did we find? This guy was half Mexican. So his ancestry, 50% of his ancestry spent time in the sun. He also grew up in southern, I think in Arizona. So now all of a sudden you have a guy that you pick out of Arizona, drop him into Toronto, training indoors on an ice rink. That's what he does. And you wonder why all of a sudden he started getting fractures. Because he has a genetic pathway to not use the vitamin D he's getting because his ancestors were overexposed. They were outdoors all the time. There was sun all the time. So when you have that much, vitamin D is toxic. It's one of the few, it's actually probably the only micronutrient which you have too much, it's actually harmful. And your body will store in fat and try and protect you. So to mitigate that, the gene pathway to transport it was slowed down. The gene pathway to bind it was slowed down. Now you take him out of that context and drop him into a different context which he's not aligned for, and he starts getting fractured.